Do you want to discover proven strategies for building wealth safely and effectively? Are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial success and secure a prosperous future? Would you like to learn the foolproof keys to achieving financial freedom and enjoying a life of abundance? Welcome to Money Mastery 101, your ultimate guide to fiscal success. In this video, we'll explore the essential strategies and principles that will help you achieve financial mastery and abundance in your life. Money. It's a topic that can elicit both excitement and anxiety. Many of us desire financial success but struggle to navigate the complexities of managing our finances effectively. In this video, we aim to demystify the process and provide you with practical tips to take control of your money. The first step on the path to money mastery is to identify your financial goals. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve financially, whether it's building a comfortable retirement, buying a new home, or starting your own business. With your goals in mind, it's important to create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. Tracking your spending and categorizing it will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more money. One of the fundamental principles of money mastery is to prioritize paying off high-interest debt. By eliminating credit card debt and other loans with high interest rates, you can free up more money to save and invest. Speaking of savings, establishing an emergency fund is crucial for financial security. Aim to set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account to provide a safety net in case of unexpected events. Once you have a solid financial foundation, it's time to explore different investment opportunities. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, can help you grow your wealth and minimize risk. Take advantage of retirement savings accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, to maximize your savings for the future. These accounts offer tax advantages and the potential for compounding growth over time. It's also important to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and follow financial experts who can provide valuable insights and strategies for managing your money effectively. As you progress on your journey to money mastery, don't forget the power of setting financial goals and regularly reviewing and adjusting them. This will keep you motivated and ensure that you continue to make progress towards your vision of financial success. Remember, money mastery is not just about accumulating wealth but also about creating a meaningful life. Use your financial resources to support causes you care about, enjoy experiences with loved ones, and live a life of fulfillment and purpose. By implementing these strategies and making conscious decisions about your money, you can achieve fiscal success and unlock a world of possibilities. So, start your journey to money mastery today and create the financial future you desire. As we continue on our journey to money mastery, let's dive deeper into some key concepts and strategies that will empower you to take control of your financial destiny. One important aspect of money mastery is understanding the power of compounding interest. By starting to invest early and consistently, you can harness the power of compounding to grow your wealth exponentially over time. It's also essential to educate yourself on different investment vehicles and understand the level of risk associated with each. From stocks and bonds to mutual funds and real estate, there are various options available to help you grow your wealth. However, remember that no investment is entirely risk-free. It's crucial to assess your risk tolerance and carefully evaluate each investment opportunity before committing your hard-earned money. In addition to investing, another aspect of money mastery is understanding the value of multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single source of income can leave you vulnerable to financial instability. Explore opportunities to diversify your income through side hustles, freelancing, or starting a business. Building a solid network of professionals and mentors is also essential on your quest for money mastery. Surround yourself with individuals who have achieved financial success and learn from their experiences and insights. Networking events, industry conferences, and online communities can provide valuable connections and support. As we navigate the ever-evolving world of personal finance, it's crucial to stay updated on changes in financial laws and regulations. Keeping abreast of financial news and developments will help you make informed decisions and adapt your strategies accordingly. Alongside investments and income, maintaining a healthy credit score is vital for financial success. Good credit opens doors to favorable interest rates on loans, mortgages, and credit cards. Stay on top of your credit by regularly checking your credit report and paying bills on time. Creating a solid estate plan is another critical aspect of money mastery. Preparing a will, establishing trusts, and designating beneficiaries will ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and minimize any potential financial and legal complications. As you progress on your journey to money mastery, remember the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. By cultivating a belief in your ability to achieve financial success, you'll overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and attract abundant opportunities into your life. It's also vital to strike a balance between enjoying the present moment and planning for the future. While it's important to save and invest for the future, don't forget to allocate resources towards experiences and activities that bring you joy and fulfillment today. Money mastery is within your reach. By implementing the strategies and principles we've discussed, you can transform your relationship with money and create a life of abundance and prosperity. Avoid the common pitfalls of lifestyle inflation by practicing mindful spending. As your income increases, resist the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle immediately. Instead, focus on saving and investing the additional funds to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. As we wrap up our exploration of money mastery, it's essential to remember that financial success is a lifelong journey. Embrace a growth mindset and continuously seek opportunities for improvement and learning. Adapt your strategies as circumstances change and stay committed to your long-term financial goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey to money mastery. Remember, the power to achieve financial success lies within you. Now go forth, embrace your financial potential, and create the abundant life you deserve.